Google and Nvidia just bet $4 billion that your next trainer won't be human. The scary part is what that means for you and your team, because this is what's going to kill your next 3 hires. Synthesia just raised $200 million at a $4 billion valuation led by Google's venture arm and is backed by Nvidia, the two of the greatest, most powerful companies that ever existed on planet Earth. That means that the biggest players in tech are betting that interactive AI training agents are the future of how teams learn and execute at work. They're not betting on another course platform. They're betting on agents that talk, listen, and coach like a manager, but live inside the tools your team already uses. Synthesia's platform is started as an AI video generator, but this new funding is all about evolving into interactive training experiences, not static videos. Their video agents can run role plays, ask questions, and score how well someone handled a scenario. For enterprises, that means onboarding and coaching can move from one-way lectures to two-way simulations that adapt to each person. Think about onboarding. Instead of watching a Loom video once and forgetting half of it, a training agent can walk a new hire through each critical step and quiz them before moving on. The agent can sit inside your LMS, your learning management system, inside your Slack, or embedded in the tools they use every day. It becomes the always-on trainer that never gets tired of the same question. Now extend that to coaching. A sales rep can practice a tough customer conversation with a Synthesia-style agent that plays the role of a buyer. It throws objections, and it gives a scorecard at the end. Over time, the agent tracks progress, highlights weak spots, and suggests which scenario to practice next. Managers spend less time repeating fundamentals and more time on strategy. Retention is the final piece. Training agents can be programmed to check in after key milestones, remind customers or employees about the next best action, and serve quick refreshers when usage drops. Instead of silent churn and people ghosting because they feel lost, the agent keeps the relationship warm with relevant, automated touchpoint. The big idea behind Synthesia's $4 billion bet is simple. Execution, not information. That's the new moat. Everyone has SOPs and playbooks. Very few have intelligent agents that can teach these playbooks, enforce standards, and coach in real time at scale. This is why capital is flowing into this space and why training agents are becoming a core part of the 2026 AI stack. If you're building a business, the question is no longer whether you will use AI for training. The question is whether you will keep burning manager hours repeating the same processes or let agents handle the repetitive coaching while your humans focus on higher level problems. Most companies will see this $4 billion Synthesia headline and keep doing training the old way. A few will take today's best practices, layer AI on top of that, and turn onboarding into a system that runs without them. I've already built interactive training agents that onboard, train, and role play with new hires using Synthesia and NAN for this exact scenario in real businesses. If you want an agent like this living inside your ecosystem, saving manager hours and training costs the way we've talked about today, let's build it together. Click the link on this post and answer a few questions, and we'll hop on a call and map out your first training agent. Frameworks guide, agents execute, and you scale. Let's get it.